Hi everyone, it's Steve Moskowitz, and I just wanted to have a brief announcement for the last week of the class. First of all, I really wanted to thank you for a really great experience for me this summer. I really learned so much from you. I've been in technology for several years, right, as you know, and the amount of new material I picked up from the course was just unbelievable. So I really want to thank you. I also wanted to acknowledge all of you working so hard during a time which is actually a really difficult time to put in this hard work. The summertime is typically a time where we get together with family and friends and family vacations and other obligations, and everybody really did seem to modify their schedule and get all the work done. So I think everyone did a great job. So I'm recording this Sunday. This is the 17th of August. Summer's fast leaving, quickly leaving us, rather. And I wanted to address the last week of the course. So I just wanted to go down to the syllabus and just show you where we are at right now. So if we go down to the syllabus, and we go down to week 7. Week 7, you are working on your strategic plan. Prepare a strategic plan technology for your own setting. And I know I've addressed a couple of questions, and people are certainly on their way. This is predominantly a written plan which you're uploading. The next week is something I want to spend some time on right now. What we need to do here is you need to prepare a 5-minute briefing of your plan of how you would show this to people, how you would really sell this. And we note that there's a PowerPoint presentation. And what we've said is we're going to use a tool in the course called VoiceThread. And I wanted to show this to you now. VoiceThread is a tool that's actually embedded in the course right now. Some of you don't really know what VoiceThread is, so I just wanted to show a brief video.
So what is a VoiceThread? Well, it's a tool for having conversations around media. Whether it's images, videos, documents, or presentations, or any combination of them, a VoiceThread can securely capture and hold an entire group discussion on one simple page. When people make their new comments, they will fill in around the edges, and the participants can even draw while they're talking, which is a very efficient way of getting your point across. Down here, behind the comment button, are actually 5 different ways for people to comment: by telephone, by webcam, by microphone, by text, or even file upload. Which means that if you can load this page at all, you can participate in this conversation, period. Now let's take a quick look at how you get around in a VoiceThread.
So that's really the introduction to VoiceThread. And what I will do is I will put on some different resources so you can get up and running within a relatively fast period of time. I'm going to go back to the course right now, and I'm going to click the link in a course called VoiceThread, and that'll take us to another page. The page is called the dashboard. The dashboard, all of you should have a dashboard. This is the spot in the course where you will have the ability to actually create your own VoiceThread. So this is going to take us to a little different screen. And as we go down here, we can see the VoiceThreads in the course, and we don't really have that many right now. And we have all my VoiceThreads. So I'm going to go down to all my VoiceThreads, and then I'm going to go down to the link here called Create. And I'm going to show you how to create a simple VoiceThread right now with a file that I had made. So I'm going to go down to Create, and it's going to ask me if I want to upload any media. And what I've done is I have previously created a presentation on a piece of software from my school district that we had proposed in June. and I'm going to click upload. It's going to ask me where it is. This file is on my computer, and I saved it on my desktop. So it's called Raptor Presentation. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go down to Open, and it's going to import in the presentation software window. It's going to take about 15 to 20 seconds, and after it's finished, it's going to have all the slides. I have about 6 slides. So the next step in the process, after I've uploaded, is I want to comment on this. So basically, what we want to do is we want to have the ability to have you explain in your words what your strategic plan is. And when you create your slides, I don't really think you need more than 6-7 slides. I think you can just communicate the main ideas, and you can just explain what the concepts are. So I'm going to go to comment, and it's going to, well, here it's going to ask me if I want to have a picture, and I'm going to say no. And this is the first slide in my presentation, and I want to actually have a comment right now, and I'm going to use my microphone in my computer to make a comment. And go back, and I'm going to say record. Say allow. This is a test of the Raptor software. This is where I would put in what the software is and how I want to use it, etc. I'm going to stop recording. This is processing. And I'm going to save it. And now I can go back and I can play it. This is a test of the Raptor software. This is where I would put in. So you see that this is embedded in the presentation. And what you would do is you would go back and you would go to all your slides, and you would basically make your presentation within here. This is our software, which we would have my school district. And so all the comments that I would have said out loud when I did my board presentation, I will just say these as comments. You can also type as well. There's a lot of options which you can share here. And what you would do is you would share this. Now, I just need to clarify exactly how I'm going to share this, and I will be able to see this. So in a future announcement within the next couple of days, I'm going to post how you would share this, and then I'll get back to you with another announcement. So this is really about VoiceThread. This is about week 8, and I hope this is clear. Please, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I will look forward to seeing your work.